Right, we're going to look at building our core strength now. We're going to look at a plank variation called a core lift. So, just like with a normal high plank, we start off with our shoulder protraction and our posterior pelvic tilt. I'm going to drop my midsection to the floor, but still pressing through the bars here, keeping the toes wrapped under at the back. When I return to that top position, I'm going to make sure that I start the action through the shoulders. I'm going to start rounding off, getting my shoulder protraction on, and starting to get that posterior pelvic tilt on as I come back to the top. I'm going to drop that midsection again. Return through the shoulders first, rounding off shoulder protraction, posterior pelvic tilt at the end position. And again, dropping through the midsection, through the shoulders. What we don't want happening here is that when we come down into this position, I don't want to start leading with the hip. If I start to lead with the hip, this is what happens. Yeah? Now you can see that looks pretty awful. Yeah, so we want to make sure that we keep that posterior pelvic tilt on all the way through. Drop through the midsection. Back through the shoulders. And there we have it. Drop the knees and relax. So, really speaking, we only really want to be looking at 2 sets of between 5 and 10. Whatever you think and feel, and more importantly, is where you can keep working with good technique. We're not looking to go to failure here, okay? And remember, once we get back up into that top position, we really want to get that shoulder protraction and that posterior pelvic tilt back on. Okay.